Welcome to our comprehensive analysis of Nexo crypto staking. Nexo is a leading blockchain-based platform that allows users to earn interest on idle digital assets. It's a one-stop solution for all crypto financial needs, offering instant crypto loans, high-yield savings accounts, and now crypto staking. With Nexo, you can earn passive income on your cryptocurrency by staking it in the Nexo platform. Nexo offers a plethora of features to its users. You can earn up to 12% annual interest on your staked cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Nexo token. It also offers daily interest payouts, allowing you to compound your earnings over time. Additionally, Nexo has a top-tier security infrastructure and is insurance-backed, providing you with peace of mind that your assets are safe. Nexo prides itself on transparency. There are no hidden fees or charges for staking your cryptocurrencies. The only cost is the gas fee for the Ethereum network, which is standard across all crypto transactions. The interest you earn from staking is automatically added to your Nexo account balance, which can then be withdrawn or reinvested. Nexo is perfect for crypto enthusiasts looking to earn passive income on their digital assets. Whether you're a long-term hodler, a day trader looking to maximize short-term gains, or a business with idle crypto assets, Nexo's staking platform can help you grow your wealth. It's also ideal for those who value security, as Nexo's platform is backed by 360,000 insurance coverage. Nexo offers several advantages. It provides one of the highest interest rates in the industry, up to 12% per annum. It also offers daily interest payouts, allowing you to compound your earnings. Nexo's platform is user-friendly and easy to navigate, making it accessible to both beginners and experienced crypto investors. Lastly, it's backed by insurance, ensuring your assets are secure. Despite its many benefits, Nexo has its limitations. The interest rates can fluctuate, and the highest rates are often reserved for the Nexo token. Additionally, while Nexo has a wide range of supported cryptocurrencies, not all tokens are available for staking. Lastly, crypto staking is still a relatively new concept and comes with its own set of risks, including potential price volatility. In conclusion, Nexo offers an attractive platform for crypto staking with high interest rates and robust security measures. However, it's important to remember that while staking can provide significant returns, it also comes with risks. As always, do your own research and consider your financial situation and risk tolerance before staking your cryptocurrencies. Nexo crypto staking offers a high yield, daily interest, and robust security. It's ideal for anyone looking to earn passive income on their crypto assets. However, interest rates can fluctuate and not all tokens are available for staking. Remember, while staking can be profitable, it's important to consider the risks involved. Nexo's staking platform is a great tool for earning passive income on your idle cryptocurrencies. Its high interest rates, daily payouts, and robust security measures make it a solid choice for crypto investors. However, as with all investments, it's crucial to do your own research and understand the risks involved. Thank you for watching our analysis of Nexo crypto staking. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content about cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Until next time, happy staking!